Hi guys, and welcome back to Lark's Workshop. I'm Larks, this is my workshop. Today we're going to have a little look at my daughter's Corsa D 2009. When I was using it, I don't know, last week or so, I noticed that the right hand headlamp was aiming low, and it's got an MOT soon, so I'm just going to adjust that up and show you how I do that. So let's crack on, I'll show you what I mean. Right, I don't know if you can see it, but the right hand side is quite a bit lower than the left hand side. So I'm just going to use this little thing, which I'll use for decorating, just to get the level of the headlamps on there and then adjust it to it. I'll show you how we adjust it. I've got a, in my back pocket, 6mm Allen key, wrench thingy, and I'll show you where it goes. Excuse me, it'll be wobbly for a bit. Oh. Right, so we've obviously got the bonnet open, and then back of the light, can you see it down there? If I point to it, that one does the up and down, and there's one back behind that does the left and right. So we're going to be adjusting that one. I'll set up the little laser level here. You won't be able to see it, but I don't know if you can see that on my hand. Basically, I'm just shining that in the middle of the bulb there. Just going to turn it around. You can see it on the wall, hopefully. Can you see it on the wall? Just about. And I'll turn the lights on. Can you see the difference? So that's the laser line there, and that's the line of the light there. So all I'm going to do is adjust that one on the side. There she goes up. Can you see it going upwards? The laser's flashing for some reason. So I'm just going to adjust it up so it touches the laser. Just a tiny bit more. That's it. So you see the laser there and the light there. That's how I do it. If you haven't got one of these, if you're on flat ground, you could just use a tape measure, measure up to the lamp, centre of the lamp, and then draw a mark on whatever you're doing it on, and adjust it to there. Setting it left to right, all I ever do is just look along the car from behind and have a look, see where this little bit kicks up. Can you see it where it comes along and it kicks up? That bit, really you want to be looking along the car and it's set back the depth it is, the depth the headlight is in from the edge of the car really. I haven't got any fancy way of doing that, but they'll check that in MOT. Okay, so that's it for this one, just a quickie. I'm hoping it's of some use to you guys. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe, doing bits and bobs on the Corsa amongst other cars. Also follow us on Instagram, it's larks_workshop. And if you want to share, and give us some comments as well, please do. So, well, I'll see you next time. Cheers, Anne.